So our answer writing practice should be like that. The universal principle of success is some miraculous notes you will find. When you will read those notes, suddenly you will learn answer writing. That's never going to happen. If you will read it, you will be like, what have I written? Did I actually study in English medium? And then you go in the market because your parents have given you money. Then you find which is more colorful, which one is more attractive and more thick. Well, value for money. And then you buy those. You don't read them. You read only 10 pages. So, okay. I'll tell you one thing. You might find many guidance available, on social media. It's spread like this, but the universal principles of success never change. You put them in any color, you put them in any flowery language, simple language, Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, the universal principles doesn't change. The universal principle of success is learn, write. For UPSC, for mains, learn, write, improve, write, improve, write, improve, write. This is it. Connection, जो भी तुम लोग जो भी सोचते हो, जो कॉम्प्लेक्स तरीके से है ना, you will think like what to do, some miraculous thing will happen one day, suddenly all the keywords will get into your mind, suddenly all the thinkers will start flowing in your ethics answers. Some miraculous notes you will find. When you will read those notes, suddenly you will learn answer writing. That's never going to happen. You will write a very, very ghatiya answer. So, first time when you write a very ghatiya answer, and that's fine. This is how it should be. Then you improve a bit, then you improve a bit, and then you improve a bit. In this answer, if you will read it, you will be like, what have I written? Did I actually study in English medium? This will be the feeling. And after you have written 10 answers, you will at least be like, sentence aa raha hai. Sentence is there, fine. I'm able to make proper sentences, fine. So after you finish writing 50 answers, you will be like, introduction form हो रहा है, body आ रही है, conclusion आ रहा है. After you write 100 answers, you'll be like, हाँ, अब लिखने में problem नहीं है. And now I don't have any problem in writing. I can write. Your fear goes away. But you want your second answer to be the best answer. And now suddenly when you write second answer, you are like, ये तो मैंने कुछ लिखा नहीं. I have not written a good answer. What shall I do? Oh, let me search for more notes. The solution lies in notes. And then you go in the market because your parents have given you money. Then you find which is more colorful, which one is more attractive and more thick. Well, value for money. And then you buy those. You don't read them. You read only 10 pages. But then at least you feel like satisfaction. Yeah, kuch kiya. But is it helpful? In Haryanvi there is a word known as ghun. Suna hai? Anyone from Haryana? एक ही इतने बच्चों में एक हरियाणवी, घुन लग गया, सुना? So, okay, so it's like, so it the moment चावल में, गेहूं में घुन लग जाता है, there is the small कीड़ा, वो लग जाता है, it's very difficult to take it away, है ना? You do whatever, wash it, this is again it will come. So our answer writing practice should be like that. You keep writing, keep writing. You should not think about कैसा लिखा, क्या लिखा उसने. एक तो टॉपर्स कॉपी आजकल बहुत एकदम, everybody have started reading toppers copy now. Oh, some of you are still saying it's useful. Toppers copies are useful, but when? अरे एटलीस्ट राइट फॉर, एक बार खुद तो लिख के देख लो. First write it yourself, and after you are at a level where you need to find improvements or you need to find what else I can enhance, then you go and read toppers copy. I have seen people, one day one student brought, ma'am, I am reading toppers copy. मैंने कहा reading means I am reading content from there. Is it useful? पहले तो उसकी टेस्ट सीरीज टेस्ट 1 था या टेस्ट 10 था, ये नहीं पता. समटाइम्स इट कैन बी टेस्ट 1, जहाँ पे उसके खुद के फैक्ट्स गलत हो सकते हैं, उसके पॉइंट्स बहुत अच्छे नहीं हो सकते. ज़रूरी है कि हम मतलब और हो सकता है आप सच में बहुत अच्छे टॉपर बनने वाले हो. योर कंटेंट कैन बी बेटर बट यू डोंट हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस. सो सिंपल थिंग इज keep writing. Don't come under this, what do you say, charade. Don't come under this charade that is going on, whereby we are trying to find some miraculous notes or miraculous a video or miraculous some test series or something. Ultimately everything will boil down to your performance, whether you write or not. Okay? And just as you cannot learn driving by watching a video, can you learn writing by watching a video? You will have to do what? Learn and write. Okay.